Want to know how to write a simple program in Java? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to write a short Java program. So first up, what you gotta do is just simply open up your window right here and right click on it and then select new folder anywhere that you like. Now name your folder anything, and once that is done, just simply open up your VS Code. And once you have opened your VS Code, just simply hit towards file right here and then select open folder. So you should see open folder right here and simply open up the folder which you had created with. So this is important while executing, so make sure to follow it. So right here you can just simply make a new file by clicking on this new file icon and then type in anything like this.java. So once that is done, your Java file will be made. So I'll just be demonstrating with this code right here. So we got this something known as public class test1, where test1 means your current file name. So our file name for current Java program is test1. So you need to remember this all along, which is public static void main string and arguments with parentheses. Now you need to simply open up your curly braces, and what systemout.println does is just prints out whatever is inside this parenthesis and this quotation marks right here. So I have written Java 17 works. You can just simply type anything that you want, or hello world or anything, and make sure you end it with semicolon right here. If you don't, there will be loads of errors. And once you're done, make sure your parentheses and curly braces are closed in as well, and then just simply select Ctrl+S on your laptop or your computer to save it. And that's it. After that is done, your program will be executed, and this is how you write and execute a simple program in Java. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.